Welcome, and thank you for viewing the ActiveRack 7M stainless steel technical product presentation. By the end of this technical training session, you will understand the applications, basic features, and benefits of the new ActiveRack 7M stainless steel product line. In this training module, we will also discuss changes to Configura and some of the new sales tools available on SpaceNet 2.0. Applications. As you can see from this slide, there are some very unique and distinct applications from this ActiveRack 7M stainless steel product line. For pharmaceutical manufacturing, healthcare, and food manufacturing facilities, the ActiveRack stainless steel product line improves cleanliness, protection against chemical cleaning agents. In freezer and cool storage applications, stainless steel provides protection against rusting in moist environments. Coastal locations, coastal oil rigs and gas rigs, as well as shipboard applications, ActiveRack stainless steel provides protection against rust when exposed to salt water. Biological and pharmaceutical storage and nuclear facilities are also potential applications for the ActiveRack stainless steel product. The new ActiveRack 7M stainless steel product offering has similar product specifications as the current steel ActiveRack 7. Therefore, the carriage section maximum weight capacity remains at 7,000 pounds. You can continue using existing shelving, racking, and drawer systems, and the current standard floor specifications and height limitations still apply. Please note, at this time, surface mount and recessed rail are the only two stainless steel rail options available for ActiveRack 7M. The size and weight capabilities for the ActiveRack 7M stainless steel will remain the same as the current ActiveRack 7M product line. Just as a reminder, here are the current carriage parameters for the ActiveRack 7. Carriage depth is 15 to 60 inches. The carriage length begins at 3 feet and ends at a maximum length of 33 feet 6 inches. Carriage weight capacity, as mentioned before, is 7,000 pounds per carriage section with a maximum carriage load of 24,000 pounds. All the previously determined single and double rail skip requirements apply as well. Remember, when determining load capacities, you must include the weight of the carriage and racking with your calculations. Top mount rail, also known as surface mount rail, is installed on top of the concrete floor. This rail has a 3/8 inch high, 4.5 inch wide profile with a beveled edge on each side. In stainless steel applications, this rail will be manufactured from 17-4 precipitation hardened, otherwise known as age hardened, material. This rail is also considered ADA compliant and is designed to operate under heavy, long-term, and cyclical stress loads. The sketch in the upper right-hand corner of this slide shows the installation of the surface mount rail. As shown, we recommend a 6-inch minimum concrete base and the use of 1/4 inch diameter by 3 5/8 inch long hex washer head KH-EZ Hilti concrete anchors to secure the rail to the floor. Unlike the surface mount rail, the recessed rail option is installed recessed in the concrete with the top surface of the rail flush with the surface of the concrete slab. The rail profile itself is 3/8 of an inch thick and 4 inches wide. This rail is also manufactured from the same 17-4 pH stainless steel material. The sketch in the upper right-hand corner of this slide shows the installation of the recessed mounted rail. As shown, we recommend a 6-inch minimum concrete base and the use of 1/4 inch diameter by 2 5/8 inch long hex washer head KH-EZ Hilti concrete anchors to secure the rail to the floor. For specific installation instructions on either of these rail options, please refer to the installation instructions posted on SpaceNet 2.0. Carriage base components. ActiveRack 7M stainless steel has the same construction as the current 7M product, except now being manufactured from 300 series stainless steel. The primary components are 12-gauge uniframe wheel assemblies, diagonal cross bracing, 10-gauge side profiles, 5-inch diameter dual flange drop-in wheel assemblies, 11-gauge tubular drive shafts. All of these components are manufactured from 300 series stainless steel. The ActiveRack 7M stainless steel product line will not have powder coating. The carriage assembly will be plain. The material surfaces will be bead blasted, which will provide a uniform, plain, matte surface finish. The ActiveRack 7M stainless steel will have the same 3-spoked handle and anti-roll system as our current mechanical assist carriages. The entire stanchion enclosure will be manufactured from 300 series stainless steel. The enclosure will also be bead blasted to achieve the same plain matte surface finish. All sprockets, chains, anti-drift mechanism components will also be manufactured from stainless steel. Benefits. The two most important benefits of having a stainless steel 7M product line are increased corrosion protection and medical hygiene. The corrosion-resistant properties of stainless steel help protect our system when they are installed in areas of high humidity or have exposure to salt water. To protect against harsh cleaning chemicals, stainless steel provides protection against most acids, alkaline solutions, and chlorine-bearing cleaning chemicals. As it relates to medical hygiene, the pharmaceutical, medical, and food industries prefer stainless steel as it's easy to clean and maintain. Configura. Drawing a stainless steel carriage system in Configura is as simple as one click of a button. After you have opened Configura and entered the first ActiveRack drawing tab, you will need to choose the carriage type. In the carriage type field, you then need to select the 7 button to activate the ActiveRack 7 program functionality. Notice when you select ActiveRack 7 button, the standard and stainless buttons now become active, and you may choose whether you want a standard steel or stainless steel carriage. When you select the stainless button, you are ready to begin drawing the carriage in stainless steel. To help plan, specify, and train your customers on ActiveRack 7M stainless steel, we have created the following collateral, all of which is posted on SpaceNet 2.0 in the document library. We have updated and created the ActiveRack planning guide and CSI product specifications. We have 2 types of commercial and industrial tech data sheets available. One set of tech data explains the ActiveRack carriage system as a whole, and the others explain the surface-mounted and recessed rail options. For a general product overview, we have made commercial and industrial info sheets available. These info sheets also include information on how to maximize your freezer and cooler storage space. Finally, we have also updated the mobile product comparison sheets. These sheets will help your customers understand the difference between our mobile product offerings. This ends our training's presentation on the ActiveRack 7M stainless product. I want to thank everyone for viewing this presentation, and please do not hesitate to call SpaceSaver if you have any questions related to our product offerings.